Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Have you ever gone through your phone gallery and realized it's filled with hundreds of random photos? Like 10 blurry selfies, 5 photos of the ceiling, and screenshots you don't even need anymore. We've all been there. And what do? We start deleting to free up space and keep things organized. Your website works the same way. Sometimes we create databases for testing, old websites, or temporary use. But when they're no longer needed, they just sit there, taking up space and slowing things down. So in today's video, I'll show you how to delete a database in cPanel. And if you're using YouStable hosting, managing databases is super simple. Their cPanel dashboard is clean, fast, and beginner-friendly. Plus, their support team is always just a message away. Alright, let's clean up your hosting space, just like you clean up your photo gallery. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click Manage My Databases. Scroll down to the table, Current Databases. Here you can see all the databases created by you. Click the Delete button in the same row of the particular database you want to delete. Confirm the delete by clicking on the Delete Database button. That's it. We have successfully deleted the database. Thank you for watching,